Hello! Today, I will be walking you through the steps to configure your Linksys Wi-Fi router. Each router should come with an Ethernet cable and a power cord. Let's start by connecting one end of the Ethernet cable to the yellow port on the back of the router. The other end should plug directly into the top port of the wall jack. Next, plug in the power cord. Insert one end into the back of the router and the other into a power outlet. Then, turn on the router using the power switch located on the back of the Linksys router. Once the light at the top of the router turns solid white, your router is ready to be configured. Take note of the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password, which can be found on the bottom of the router. You'll need this information during setup. The next step is to download the Linksys app on your smartphone. You can find it in your app store. It has a black background with a blue Wi-Fi symbol. Once downloaded, open the app and select Set up a new Wi-Fi network, then choose the Non-Mesh Routers option. Now, go to the settings on your phone and tap on Wi-Fi. Look for the Linksys network name, which you noted from underneath the router. Once you find it, tap on the name and enter the password. If entered correctly, you should see a confirmation checkmark. After getting the confirmation checkmark, you need to go back to the Linksys app and select Find My Router. You may need to tap this option twice. Once your phone and the router have synced, you'll be prompted to answer a few questions to register the device. Please note that after completing the Linksys setup, it may take up to 5 minutes for your router to be fully configured. If you encounter any issues, you can reset the router by holding down the red reset button for 15 seconds and restarting the process. Should the problem persist, feel free to contact Axia TP support at 800-411-2942. Thank you.